I'm going to give you a quick overview of the WP Countdown Pro plugin. Assuming that you already know how to install a WordPress plugin, we'll get right to how to use this plugin. Once installed, on your left-hand menu, you're going to see an item called Countdown Page. Now, to create a new countdown page, you simply click on Add New, and it'll bring you to your editor. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and use the demo that we've already created. Your post title is what will be displayed in your address bar up here. The content in your editor will be displayed in this area here. Of course, that's completely optional. Let's get to the settings. Your main settings is a banner or logo image URL. That will be displayed here. It can be as wide or as long as you want, but you want to keep in mind you don't want it too high or it's going to push down your page in the top fold. Your main headline will be displayed right here. And of course your subheadline is going to be displayed here. Your footer text, self-explanatory, that's what will be displayed at the bottom of your opt-in page. The next option is design options. This will give you the option to change the color of the background screen and also of your opt-in box button, which will be this area here. I currently have it set to orange. Your next setting is the countdown settings. Simply enter the date with the year, month, and day format, and then if you want to redirect to a different URL once the date is expired, you can enter that here. And of course your countdown clock is located here. The next setting is your autoresponder. The first option is the submit button text. That's going to be the text that's on your submit button here. Then the next option is your autoresponder HTML code. Now keep in mind, if your autoresponder gives you a JavaScript code by default, you're going to want to hit the tab so that you can get the actual HTML code, because it will need the HTML code. And then the last option is feature benefits. The feature benefits option is what is displayed right under your opt-in button. That's this area here. You can do up to 3, but if you only do 2, of course it'll center it in this area for you. Enter the image URL, which will be the image area here. Enter your headline, which is this area here. And then of course your content, which will be displayed here. All of these are optional, of course. If you don't want to use the content, it'll simply have the image URL and headline and so on. And that's it. It's as easy as that. You can create unlimited number of these countdown pages from one single WordPress install. You can iframe this into a WSO sales page if you sell WSOs, but it's a great way to create urgency or start early bird lists for your product launch or your site launch or promotion launches for your clients. You get a developer's license so you can use on unlimited personal projects and unlimited client projects.